good shot. Afridi can play down the ground, that's for sure. Bounces away down to the boundary. Well, this is a shot that he does play well. 57 or 44, and Afridi quite happy to go along as his partner. But I think he's decided to change his mind. That's all the way. That's a six. Afridi has said. Well, there he goes again. This is six. It's all the way. It's on the roof. It's a biggie. Shahid Afridi has decided that the man is out of blocking. Oh, the guy's got a six as well. Oh, it goes whistling into the crowd. No one is going to catch that. Oh, there it is. It's in the air again, and that's all the way as well. As I was going to say, they love their cricket, but one for none.
Over the top, but it's gone straight up. It's got to test the fielder at long off. No, it's not. It's just a little too deep.
I bet they dropped it. Up go the arms of umpire Shepherd. Sexy shot is the call from the outfield. Well, that's in the air, but it's over the top. It won't quite reach the boundary. Bouncing away to the fence for four. Oh, he's strong, isn't he? Anything short, he gets onto, but